What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba Group Holdings with the ticker symbol BABA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So last time I looked at BABA was last week, Friday, and you can see that price did move up higher. That was the second leg up. This was all one leg right here. Price made a higher low. That was the start of the second leg towards that high $80 level, but the second leg was much larger. Why? Because, well, technically, you did see a very large drop. So that means there wasn't a lot of resistance built into this drop if price does go up. So it was easy for the price to move up higher. And it's still bearish because we sold off almost the entire amount. So it still looks like price is trying to trend down lower. Is price below this trend line? Not really. It's not really below the trend line, but it's still working its way down. This is the measure move target by the bears. One leg down right here. Second leg down, targeting the $78 level. So still looking kind of bearish. Let me see if this potential trend line will come into play. So we're not even at this trend line yet either, and that's at lower price levels. So overall, BABA is still looking kind of bearish. Price tried to break above this level, which was a good sign momentarily at the $88 level. If price broke above it and held it, something like that, I think that's a good sign. So it's still not over. We're just slightly below this level, this key level at 88, because it was prior resistance that could turn into support. But with today being a red day and price starting to trend down lower, it doesn't look likely. It looks likely that we continue to see price trend down lower. That's what the market structure says. When price hits one side of a range, it will try to work its way to the opposite side, just like it hit the bottom. It went to the top, just like I hit the top. It'll try to go to the bottom. So it looks like bears are still trying to drive down the price lower as of right now. So EMA is still pointing down as well. So overall, price is making lower lows and lower highs. So overall, that's all I have for BABA on the daily chart. Still looking bearish, even though there was a nice pop up within the week. Looking at the weekly chart, big red candle for this week. Most likely, this will lead to more selling or more selling pressure. There's also a little gap that can be filled at lower price levels. And overall, just does not look bullish at all for BABA. Traders are playing the range pattern. Anytime price gets up to this 120 level, they're taking the profits and they're taking shorts. Whenever price gets to the $72 level, they're taking the profits from the shorts and they're buying back in. With obviously some sort of setup patterns and looking at the price action. But generally, traders are just playing the range, and eventually some big player in the market will come in and start driving up the price, and then other market participants will follow, and that's when you will get your long-term uptrend. Until then, this is what traders are playing. They don't care about anything else, and we do have these short-term trends in this range pattern. It's been going on since basically March of 2022. So overall, still looks bearish. Nothing drastically bullish. So nothing really changed drastically to tell me that the chart is bullish. So overall, still looking like it wants to work its way lower. How lower? Who knows? First target 78, and then maybe the lower 70s, and possibly if price doesn't find support there, maybe even lower. So that's how I'm looking at BABA on the daily and weekly charts. This was looking just like a correction at the end of the day, this pullback, and it looks like price is still trying to trend down lower. Now, let's say we see price move up higher. Well, then my targets would change, obviously. If we can get back above the $88 level and stay above it, then I'll be looking for the mid-90s and maybe even triple digits again. But until then, this is still looking more bearish than bullish. So all I have for BABA on the daily weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.